Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program to input a character and check it is vowel or not. So here is a hint. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U or A, E, I, O, U. So why I have written here in capital and in small case. So in Python, there are 10 vowels, 5 in capital and 5 in lowercase. So we have to write conditions as per these 10 vowels. So first, what we have to do is we have to take a input of a character. So I will write here ch equals to input, enter a character. So now I will check conditions. If ch equals to capital A or ch equals to small a or ch equals to capital E or ch equals to small e, and this will go until all the characters, for all the characters for A, E, I, O, U. So I will write all the conditions and then tell you what you have to do. So let me do. I will fast forwarding the video. So here you can see I have written conditions for all 10 vowels. So here I will count these are 10 or not. So yes, these are 10 vowels. So now I will write here if these conditions are true, print here it is a vowel. If these conditions are not true, I will write else and then print here it is a consonant. So this is how you have to write this program. Now I am going to run this program. So I have to write here a character. Let us say I. So it is a vowel. Now again, let us say I will write here capital Z. So it is a consonant. So I will run it and then I will write here capital E. So it is a vowel. So our program is running well and printing it is a vowel or consonant. So this is how you can write a program in Python to check it is a vowel or consonant. So thanks for watching. Hope it is helpful for you.